Good evening, YouTubers. It's time to check out today's culinary concoction. And that's been in the oven at 350 degrees for a long time. Ooh. That's chicken stew, believe it or not. Get this out of the way. Two cans of crushed tomatoes, a bag of carrots, some red onions, four red onions, I think, some garlic, some rosemary, pepper and salt. I'm gonna pull the bones out of this meat and shovel it in a bigger pot. And let the whole thing slowly cool off before I package it up and refrigerate it. You get the idea. Oh, I also threw a package of sausage with peppers and onion in it. I think my dogs will be getting some meat and potatoes out of this, some carrots. One of my viewers suggested I feed the dogs more vegetables. All right, sweet baby. Carrots for the eyesight. Oh yeah. I scrub the potatoes because I like eating the peels. Red potatoes are great and everything. All right, God bless the YouTubers.